Okay, this video is really late and delayed. I am sorry for this one, but it's finally out, it's finally released, the Fiji trip review video. Now for anyone who's been following along, you know we did this trip in July 2025. It was really cool. It was our summer trip where we went over to the legendary islands of Taveuni Island in Fiji. Famous because it gives you access to the incredible and legendary Rainbow Reef system with one of the top 10 dive sites in the world, the Great White Wall. It's definitely one that was worthwhile doing. We are going to be running this trip again in 2027, so check that out. But without further ado, shall I say, let's jump in and show you what all went down on the Fiji trip in 2025. Enjoy, guys.
Welcome to Paradise Taveuni Resort here in Fiji. Now this is one of our Blue Horizon diving locations where we run dive trips, and we're going to take you around the resort and show you what they have to offer today. So come along.
We could have not asked for a more beautiful resort and better location in the world for a Fiji trip in 2025. This is the stunning Paradise Taveuni Resort, and we had the privilege of spending an entire week here exploring and diving. Plus, as we said, we're heading back here in 2027, so you can see how incredible this trip will be to join. The stunning pool giving these incredible views over the ocean, where the local house reef is just off the dock there. This was one of the rooms for the week, Papaya. This is one of the oceanfront view rooms, and all the rooms are absolutely stunning and beautifully laid out with a true Fijian style. Just look here, imagine yourself sitting relaxing looking at that view. But let's go check out what the room actually looks like. As you walk in, you're welcomed by a lounge area, and then you head into the bedroom. Now, beautiful island vibe setup and style in this. As you can see, it's very modern, very fresh, but the true star is the outdoor shower and bathroom. Just this was our favourite part of the resort. At night, having a shower under the stars with the music going, spectacular. That's enough for the resort tour. I'm pretty sure you all want to see what the diving's like. So let's jump on the boat and take you over to the beautiful dive sites of Taveuni in Fiji. We're cruising out to the beautiful and legendary spot of Rainbow Reef, one of the best places you can dive in the world. The reef is in incredible health and loads of diversity with lots of hard coral and soft coral, with Fiji being the soft coral capital of the world. And you will not be disappointed. The level of biodiversity, marine biomass, with the amount of fish is truly spectacular. As you can see, Hannah here is really happy, loving it. I mean, how many places in the world do you get to see reef like this and the abundance of fish in this level? Like, when we're just looking across, you would look out in the blue and you would see sharks gliding past. You would get on top of the coral bommies, manta rays gliding in. It was truly amazing, and Dr. Dave truly approves, with him nodding away, all happy. In the world, we're seeing lots of challenges in the ocean, but Fiji seems to be one of the few places in the world that's still thriving with healthy coral and beautiful reef. But it's not all about the healthy reef and beautiful coral, as Zeb is all happy, but you have lots of variety of diving, from walls to tunnels and swim-throughs, to beautiful reefs, to nice drifts. As you're about to see, we're going to head over towards the famous, one of the top 10 dives in the world, the Great White Wall. As we make our passage down this little swim-through to around about 30 metres, 100 feet, where we're going to come out on the wall. And you can see the current was running a little bit. That's great, because then all the soft coral is feeding, and you get to see why it is called the Great White Wall, one of the top 10 dives in the world. Oh my goodness, it lived up to its name. We would be looking down towards 60 metres dropping all the way down there, and it comes all the way back up to around about 12 meters, and you'd just be in awe of it. But then you would have a scallop hammerhead come past, you would have a little reefer shark come past. You just never knew what was going to turn up at that dive site. It is truly beautiful, and honestly, if you get the chance to come on the Fiji 2027 trip, you will enjoy it and you will love it, because it is a special location, as all the divers who joined us in 2025 found it that way. They loved the adventure, and a few of them are actually coming back to Fiji to this exact trip because they had so much fun. Now, it's just not all about the diving, because we have some cool adventures on land that we did as well on the trip, because we want to immerse yourselves and our clients and all the divers into the Fijian culture and getting to really experience the country and the island itself, not just the diving. Even if the captain does look really cool here with his arm out the window. It's the way he's got his arm out the window every time. What? The way he's got his arm out the window. Now, it just wasn't all about the diving, alright? When we were in Fiji, we went and explored some really cool areas, including water sliding down a natural water slide. It was a waterfall that had been carved out, and we started sliding down it, having so much fun. Really cool adventure. As you can see in these clips just beside me, everyone was having a great time. Even the plunge pools at the bottom were really cool, so much fun. And then also, really famous part as well, there's actually a spot where the international date line used to cross through Fiji. Now, it's not active anymore, but we all had to go there, and we got some photos, as you can see just here as well. And it was actually cool and put the compass there. It actually showed directly north. It was sitting right where the international date line is, so you could jump one side, it would be tomorrow, next day would have been today. So it was really quite cool. It's not active anymore, but that was the international date line for a long time, when it swapped in a full 24 hours. That was so awesome to see. Plus, we ended up over to the islands on our way back from Rainbow Reef, and what we did was we stopped up, parked the boat up, jumped all off the boat, and went on this uninhabited island in the middle of the South Pacific in Fiji, and had lunch. But we started playing some games. As you see, we found some coconuts and we started playing baseball, which was really challenging. Matt got caught out, as you've seen in the video. We also played bowls, where we threw the coconuts to try and land the spot. We even played touch rugby, playing with the Fijians. If anyone who knows the rugby, Fijians are incredible at rugby. Just destroyed us. Couldn't get any video of that because we're all too busy playing it. And then we also had some crab racing, which is a tradition in Fiji as well. It was so much fun. Honestly, the Fiji trip had everything, had something for everyone as well. We had the nice relaxing dives, we had unlimited shore diving in the afternoon if you wanted to do that as well. The food was amazing, the Fijian people and the culture was incredible. There was lots of different other activities that we all did, which we didn't get footage for, but it was definitely a trip to remember. And honestly, from me and Holly, we have to thank everyone who came on the Fiji trip 2025. They made it truly special. We had divers from all over the world, from the US, from the UK, and Bermuda, and Australia. And it was just amazing. We had an amazing time, and we're truly looking forward to running another trip there in 2027. So hopefully we'll see you on the 2027 trip in Fiji. Hope you enjoyed this. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Subscribe, comment, like, and hopefully we'll see you on a future Blue Horizon diving trip as well. Thank you, everyone.